In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in your Zoho Mail account. To get started, the first step is to open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website by typing in the URL https://mail.zoho.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Zoho Mail inbox. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. It's typically represented with an avatar or your initials. Go ahead and click on this icon. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down, click on My Account. This action will open a new tab in your browser, taking you into your Zoho account settings. Here, you'll find a variety of settings and configurations that you can adjust to personalize your Zoho experience. Focus your eyes on the left sidebar of the page. Among other menu options, you'll see Personal Information. Click on it. This section contains all of your basic personal details associated with your Zoho account. As you scroll through the Personal Information section, look for the Time Zone field. This field displays the current time zone that has been set for your account. To change it, you'll need to click the drop-down arrow next to this field. Doing so will reveal a comprehensive list of time zones from which you can select the one that most accurately corresponds with your actual geographical location. It's important to select the correct time zone because it ensures that the timestamps for your emails and calendar events are accurate. Once you've located and clicked on your desired time zone from the list, you'll want to ensure that the change takes effect. To do this, simply click the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the time zone field or nearby. This action saves your new settings and updates your account to reflect the change. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the time zone in your Zoho Mail account. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in how you manage your emails and schedule, ensuring that all your communications are perfectly synchronized with your local time. If you have further adjustments to make, you can always revisit this section through the steps we just covered. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in guiding you through changing your time zone setting in Zoho Mail. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult the Zoho help resources. Enjoy a seamless emailing experience, perfectly aligned with your time zone.